come up the hill and we're going to check out some of the residences here at Hayman Island. Okay, this looks like it's a couple of floors. So we'll start up here. Ooh, nice. Look at this. So this is one of your bedrooms. Beautiful. I could definitely see myself staying in here without any kind of problems, I'm sure. Okay, so this looks like another bedroom. They've got their own en-suites, which is perfect. We've got our own balcony each. The final bedroom upstairs. Oh, look at this. I could definitely enjoy a bath, relaxing here. This view over the bed. Glass of wine in hand, champagne. Ah, lovely. My kind of place. Okay, so let's go downstairs. Oh, look at the size of this. Barbecue. Oh my gosh, look at this kitchen. Now, if you've got family, a group of friends, you could actually stay here for weeks on end to cook up dinners. And wow, now this is, imagine being out here, making up your own barbecue, wine, beers, entertaining friends, family on this balcony, this view. Don't know what would be more enjoyable, sitting out here eating, just relaxing, enjoying the view. This is beyond spectacular. Okay, anyway, there was another side, so let's go. Oh, there's a whole outdoor entertaining area through here as well. Wow, just keep walking through here and finding somewhere new and different. Okay, so this is, okay, so got a outdoor entertaining. So if for some reason you get sick of the view, can't see that happening, but if for some reason you do, you've got this area here as well. Or you just want to separate from, you know, the people you're traveling with. We all love who we travel with, but sometimes we need our own space. They can be on the balcony, you can be out here enjoying, having a swim out here. Wow, look at that. It's just incredible. Next section, it's still going. This is bigger than my house. Oh, okay, now we have the master bedroom. The master suite, wow. Lie in bed once again, look at the view. Come out onto your balcony. Look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh, look at this. Imagine just being in here, looking out, watching the sunset. So spectacular. Oh, and I can even do it from a shower. It's kind of a bit cheeky. You get to shower, you can have all your everything open, you can be looking out, but yet no one can see you in. Under here in the shower and standing out there looking out at that view out here. This is just beautiful. And this is one of the residences here on Hayman Island.